In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine to-do tasks and tags in Microsoft OneNote. This technique is a great way to organize your notes more effectively by assigning multiple labels or priorities to a single task. By combining tags, you can create a more flexible system that makes it easier to track, sort, and locate important information later on. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook you want to work in. Once your notebook is fully loaded, go to the page where your tasks or notes are located. Having your content ready will make it easier to apply tags efficiently. Next, move your attention to the top menu and click on the Home tab. This is where you'll find most of the tools used for formatting and organizing your notes. Within this tab, look for the section that contains the tagging options. Click on the Tags drop-down menu to view all the available tagging choices. You'll see a variety of options designed for different purposes, such as marking tasks, highlighting important points, or labeling questions. To begin, select the To-Do tag. This will add a checkbox next to your selected text, turning it into an actionable task that you can check off when completed. Now comes the key part of the process. OneNote allows you to apply more than one tag to the same piece of content. With your task still selected, open the Tags drop-down menu again and choose another tag that fits your needs. This could be something like Important, Question, or any other category you use to organize your notes. You can continue this process by selecting additional tags one at a time. Each tag you apply will stack onto the existing ones, allowing you to assign multiple meanings or priorities to a single task. This is especially useful when managing complex projects where one item may belong to different categories at once. As you build your tagging system, you'll notice how much easier it becomes to filter and locate your notes when you search or review your tags later. You'll be able to find tasks based on any of the labels you've applied. And that's it. You've successfully combined to-do tasks with multiple tags in Microsoft OneNote, making your workflow more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.